Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to another exciting video. In this video, we will learn how to create a random IP address generator app using reactjs. I am first creating a component called random IP. I am creating a button to generate random IP. I want to style the button a bit, and I am using Tailwind CSS for style it. Now I am bringing the button to the middle of the page. Our design is completed. It is time to implementing the functionality. I am initializing a use set hook. IP address. Set IP address. Use state. By default it will empty string. I am creating a function called generated IP. And a variable named random IP. To generate random number, I am using random of JavaScript method. And updating the use state hook with random IP. Now I will display the random number. I have to call the function in the button. My random number is displayed, but it will be above the button. I am now multiplying the random number by 256 because it is part of an IP address ranges from 0 to 256. I have to round it with math.floor. Now it is create a random number from 0 to 256. I need to for random number in every click. Array.from length it will 4 because I have to for random number. It is an arrow function. It is created for random number, but I have to separate and join it with a dot. Let me check if the IP address is working or not. I am going zig.com. I will give you the link in the description box. Copying the generated IP address and the paste it here. The IP address location is Japan, region Tokyo, and city Chiuda. Let me generate another IP address and check it. The IP address location is United States, region Newark, and city Newark.